In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses strive to stay ahead of the curve. They understand that harnessing the power of the cloud and embracing DevOps agility is essential for success. But here's a crucial distinction: Cloud Mastery DevOps agility is not just a strategy, it's a skill. Its benefits are improved efficiency, faster deployment, scalability, and cost optimization. Imagine having the ability to seamlessly deploy applications, automate processes, and scale resources on demand. That's the power of Cloud Mastery DevOps agility. But it's not something you can simply strategize and hope for. It requires a deep understanding and mastery of the tools, technologies, and practices that enable this transformation. Cloud Mastery DevOps agility is about more than just implementing cloud solutions or adopting a set of practices. It's about cultivating a skill set that empowers you to navigate the complexities of the cloud and leverage it to your advantage. It's about being proficient in cloud platforms, infrastructure as code, continuous integration, and continuous delivery. See the past exceptional performers. Testimonial 1: Learn how Rashmi T. transformed into new technology role with 130% hike. From system engineer to cloud and DevOps professional, Rashmi T's journey to success. Testimonial 2: Learn how Poonam be converted into IT field with 100% hike into top MNC. Testimonial 3: Learn how Ram Manohar converted into IT technology role from an IT recruiter role. Testimonial 4: Learn how Venkat, a 28 years IT professional, was scaled up into SR, manager role of cloud and DevOps engagement programs in a top MNC, TX, USA. Our Level 1 program is meticulously crafted to ignite and sustain self-motivation within participants, driving them to continuously learn and master live skills building with AWS services. It empowers individuals to cultivate a proactive learning mindset, enabling them to stay ahead by acquiring the live task competencies essential for their job roles. Learn from the link given below how to join our 3 days 2 hour per day Level 1 coaching and its details to jumpstart your experiences.